Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In today's video, I will show you how you can create amazing logos for free and without installing any softwares. You don't need any kind of designing skills to use this method to get your own custom logos. So let's get started. First of all, open a website canva.com. Then you can sign up or sign in using your Google, Facebook or email address. Once you are logged in, search for the logo templates from this search area and you will see a lot of ready to use templates here. Choose the one you like and start changing things like text, colors, font sizes, etc. You can ignore my creativity as I am not that good at choosing colors. Once you are happy with the logo, just click on the download button and download your logo. It's very simple. Now if you want to make a custom logo, you can also pick different elements from different logos or images and combine them to make a fully customized logo of your own. For example, if I want to make a big bat logo and I can't find a ready-made template for it, I can simply select any logo I like and then change the text. Now I need a bat instead of a flash logo, so I will again search for bat images. In the search results, I can pick an image from which I can extract a bat image only. The good thing is these are all vector images, so you can pick one element from the whole image. Like I can just select and copy the bat from this image and paste it on our logo image. When it's done, I can adjust position, color and sizes to my choice, and when I am happy with the logo, I can simply download it to my computer. Now the last problem is that I don't have a pro version of Canva, so my downloaded images are not with the transparent background, so we have to remove the background of our logos so we can use them anywhere we want. We have two options to remove the background of an image. Number one is with the Photoshop and the other is using online tools available. Both are simple. In Photoshop, you just have to pick a magic eraser tool and select the area you want to remove, and it will automatically remove the background. And now you can save it to your computer. To use online process, you can search for an online background remover on the Google and select any website and just upload your image. It will remove the background and you can download your logo. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Peace.